think Brazilian waxing is just about removing hair. Think again. Today, we're uncovering the hidden benefits of consistent Brazilian waxing that go way beyond smooth skin. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at waxing the same way again. Beyond hair removal, the real benefits. First things first, let's bust a big myth. The first session isn't as scary as most people think. Yes, there's a little discomfort, but it's quick and manageable. Most clients say it's far less painful than expected. And the best part? Instant gratification. No razor bumps, no stubble. Just silky smooth skin that looks and feels amazing. And let's be honest, that confidence boost you get right after. Priceless. Myth: too painful. Reality: totally doable. Now let's talk long-term benefits. Consistent waxing does more than keep things tidy. It actually improves skin health. It helps minimize ingrown hairs and reduces hyperpigmentation over time. Every session acts like a mini exfoliation, revealing brighter, healthier skin. And here's the real game changer: regular waxing makes hair grow back finer and sparser. That means less maintenance in the future. Less hair, more glow. Waxing isn't just a beauty routine, it's a self-care ritual. That hour at the salon, pure stress relief. You're pampering yourself, improving hygiene, and feeling fresh. Especially in humid weather or after intense workouts, that fresh feeling is unbeatable. This isn't vanity, it's wellness and confidence combined. Self-care isn't optional, it's essential. Confidence isn't about size, shape, or trends. It's about how you feel in your own skin. Consistent waxing gives you freedom, the freedom to wear what you love. Whether it's swimwear or lingerie, you'll never second-guess yourself. It's about empowerment through personal choice and investing in yourself. Confidence equals freedom. So, how do you make the most of your waxing routine? Q. How do I prevent irritation? Answer: avoid tight clothes right after and use a soothing aloe-based gel. Q. How often should I wax? Answer: every 4-6 weeks for the best results. Here's a pro tip: gentle exfoliation a few days before your appointment can help prevent ingrown hairs. Pro tip: exfoliate 2-3 days before. Have questions or your own tips? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more self-care insights. Until next time, stay confident and stay smooth.